Tasha here, also known as Coupon Countrygrl. So I'm here at my local CVS. I have 3 CVS accounts that I'm going to be doing some amazing deals on. So if you are ready to save some money at CVS and learn how to roll those extra care bucks, stay tuned. That made my day. Okay, so I just left the red box machine and I did not get the mystery coupon that's printing off for everybody on this account. So I'm going to try again here in a few minutes or maybe on another account. But anyway, I'm going to start off my transactions today by getting the Boost nutritional drinks. They're on sale, buy one get one 50% off. And when you buy 4, you're going to get $8 in extra care bucks back. Now we do have these $4 off 2s coupons that were in the March 1st Retail Me Not. I am going to be using 2 of those, and I'm also going to be paying with extra care bucks. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 of these. Okay, so here is my first transaction. Let's go ahead and head to the register. Okay, so my first transaction down, everything went as planned. I did get 4 of the Boost Original Chocolate Protein drink 6-packs. They are buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 4, you're going to get $8 back in extra care bucks. I used 2 of the $4 off coupons from the March 1st Retail Me Not. And then my total, I think, was $18 and some change. I did pay that with extra care bucks that I had. So I paid $2.46 out of pocket. And I got back my $8 in extra care bucks. Total savings of 94%. I saved $35. Also, I got a $5 off vitamin coupon, $1 off 2 Trident Vibes gum, $1.50 off facial wipes, $2 off 10 facial care, lots of CVS coupons, $3 off 15 CoverGirl. All these coupons printed at the bottom of my receipt. Let's see, also $6 off Venus refill, $3 off 360 beauty tools, and a $5 off 10 Revlon beauty tools. So, not too bad. I am now going to go in and do my next transaction, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so the next deal that I'm going to be taking advantage of at CVS today is buy 2 of the select Gillette or Venus razors or refills, get $8 back in extra care box. I do have these coupons that I'm going to be using. They were in the March Procter & Gamble. $2 off Gillette razor, $2 off Venus razor. And then I also have a $3 off Gillette Pro Glide or Pro Shield men's razor. I am gonna get the Pro Shield because it's $12.49. The Pro Glide is actually $16.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. Then I'm going to come down here to the women's razors, and I'm going to get one of the Venus razors for $10.49. I do have the $3 off any Venus razor. This does exclude disposable razors. That I'm going to be using with the $2 off from the March Procter & Gamble. Now, I also have this $3 off 12, but it says razor cartridges, so I'm not sure if this is going to come off or not, but I am going to try. Anyway, if it does come off, My total should be right around $10 plus tax, and then I am going to get $8 back in extra care bucks, paying only about $1 each per razor. Now, if for some reason that $3 off does not come off, I do have extra care bucks to cover it. So, let's go see how this goes. Yep. Okay, so my second transaction is finished. Now, I did have a little bit of issues with one of the razor coupons, and so I thought I was going to have issues with the $3 off 12 because it said razor cartridges or refills, but actually I had an issue with the $3 off Gillette Any Razor. So the cashier was nice enough to go ahead and override that for me. So she did go ahead and push it through. I got 2 of the razors, one Gillette and one Venus. My two $2 off paper coupons came off. Then I had the $3 off Venus, the $3 off 12, and the $3 off Gillette. My total was, I think, almost $11. I did pay with $6 in extra care bucks and $3.98 in extra care bucks. So I only paid tax on this one. The total was $1.01. I saved 100%. I did get back my $8 in extra care bucks, along with Dove Men's Body Wash, $2 off L'Oreal Wonder Water, 40% off new Garnier Dry Shampoo, $2 off Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, $5 off L'Oreal Moisturizer, and a $4 off Lash Serum. Not too bad. Alright, I'm going to go in and get started on my third transaction. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to pick up where we left off in the hair care aisle. So this week, the Love and Beauty shampoo and conditioner. There is a deal going on. When you spend $20, you're going to get $10 back in extra care bucks. This is a limit of 1 per household. Now, I do have a $3 off 15 hair care CRT on my card and a $3 off 12 hair care CRT on my card. If you have the $4 off 18, this deal is going to work a little better. It will bring your out-of-pocket down a little lower. But I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 of these. I am going to be using 2 of the buy one get one free coupons from the March 1st Retail Me Not. Okay, so here's all 4 of those. Okay, so after doing the math on this, after the buy one get one free, my total is going to be $15.98 with a $3 off 12 CRT. I am going to get $10 back for spending $20, and then I'll get another $3 back for hitting beauty. So the total cost of all 4 of these is only going to be $2.58 for all 4. That's a really good deal. Okay, so I just thought about something. I was going to split this transaction up because I have a $3 off 12 hair care CRT on my card and a $3 off 15 hair care CRT on my card, and they're both expiring today. And I was going to use one for the Love and Beauty hair care and then one on the L'Oreal and the Whole Blends. But since my total is gonna be like $30 on the Love and Beauty, I think both of them are gonna try to come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair these 2 deals together. Now again, my $2 off mystery coupon did not print, but I have been told that the $3 off 2 digital for L'Oreal is coming off with the manufacturer coupon as well. So let's move on with this deal. We're going to be getting 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you're going to get $2 back in extra care bucks. So I grabbed 2 of those. You're also going to be using one of the $4 off 2 from the 3-1 Retail Me Not. And then I'm going to come down here to the Garnier Fructis Whole Blend Shampoo and Conditioner. They are on sale 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $1 back in extra care bucks. I am going to grab 2 of those, and I am going to be using this $4 off 2 from the March 1st Retail Me Not. Now, like I said, I was going to do these 2 deals separate, but I am afraid that the $3 off 12 and the $3 off 15 are both going to attach to the Love and Beauty, so we're going to have to see how this goes. Okay, so here's everything I'm getting on this transaction. Now, if you were to ring up the L'Oreal and the Whole Blends by itself, and you did get the $2 off mystery coupon, along with the $3 off 12 or the $3 off 15, when you get your extra care bucks back, you're going to get 2 for the L'Oreal and 1 for the Whole Blends. You're only going to be paying $1 out of pocket for all 4 of these. So that's a really good deal. But we're going to see how this goes when I pair these two scenarios together. All right. All those. Okay, so that transaction went pretty well. I did not get the $2 off instant savings coupon that was supposed to print at the red box for everybody. That did not print for me. So if you do this transaction and you have the $2 off or the $4 off 18 hair care, your transaction is going to be cheaper. I also made a mistake on my accounts because I thought I had a $3 off 15 and a $3 off 12 expiring today. I only had the $3 off 15 on this account. So I'm going to show you on one of my other accounts. I'm going to do this same scenario, and my out-of-pocket's going to be a little less. So let's go over this real quick. I got 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioners on sale 2 for $8. I got 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner on sale 2 for $7. And I got 4 of the Love and Beauty shampoo and conditioner. They were spend $20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. Now, I used the 2 of the buy one get one free Love and Beauty coupons. I used 1 $4 off 2 for the Whole Blends, 1 $4 off 2 for the L'Oreal. And it looks like my L'Oreal digital coupon, $3 off 2, came off. So did my Love and Beauty $1.50 digital coupon. That came off as well. My $3 off 15 for hair care came off. And then my total was, I believe, like $15, $19, I think. I did use $15 in extra care bucks. So my total before tax was $308. Tax really got me on that one. My total savings was 95%. I did get back $10 in extra care bucks for spending $20. And then I also got back $1 in extra care bucks for getting the Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner. So overall, I did pretty good. I am happy with this transaction. Now I'm going to switch to another account and start going again. Stay tuned for more videos.